Hey, everyone! Welcome back to BitLaw Tech. We're going to make 3D AI name images for free. Yes, you heard it right, for free. Alright, let's dive into it. Open up your favorite web browser and head over to Bing.com. Once you're on Bing's homepage, navigate to the Images section. Click on Create. And here you can type in your prompt. After that, hit the Create button. Now, click on the image to preview your masterpiece. If you want to download your fantastic creation without any watermark, it's super easy. Just click on the Download button. It's super simple. Let's try another sample to unleash your creativity. Creating 3D AI name images with Bing is easy and fun, and did I mention it's free? Give it a try and let me know in the comments how your creations turn out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy creating!